morning and welcome to the latest updates. I'm Chandra de los Santos and I'm here to bring you the latest updates on a tragic accident that occurred earlier today, February 22, 2025, Saturday. As you can see from this image, the accident occurred on Sumulong Highway near the Cloud9 Resort and Hotel. There was a multiple vehicular accident. A jeep rammed into a truck in Antipolo. There's a tricycle to go under according to the PNP Antipolo. In the initial investigation, 11 were injured, 8 of them were jeep riders and 3 were students riding to tricycle that was involved.
Po kasi ang pagpatakbo ng jeep po, para po siyang wala na po siya sa way po ng kalsada. Siya po yung pumasok sa loob ng truck. Nagulat na lang kami, bigla pong nagsalpukan na. Ngayon ang nangyari, yung pong truck, nahagi po niya yung badyan.
Nag-overshoot siya doon sa tumama doon sa truck. Yung badya po papunta rin ng ng masinag. Ngayon tumama sa truck. Nakakalap natin mga impormasyon sa mga bystander. Dito daw po ay nakatulog yung driver.
The accident caused major traffic delays in the area, and the highway was closed for several hours while emergency crews worked to clear the scene. As of 9:03 a.m., there is a private towing in the area to remove the accident vehicles. Clearing is ongoing in the area. BFP staff are currently doing flushing to remove spilled oil and debris from the road. The vehicles involved in the accident have also been put aside. We would like to remind drivers to exercise caution and to obey traffic laws, as accidents like this can be prevented with safe driving practice. We will continue to bring you updates on the situation as more information becomes available. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families during this difficult time. That is all for now. Stay tuned for further updates and take care. I'm Chandra de los Santos for the latest updates.